Hi everyone! So today we are going to review some letter sounds and blend some more words. So first, the consonant we learned about this week is the letter G, and it makes the G sound. We also learned about the letter K that makes the K sound. We've also learned about the vowel A. Remember, when it is followed by a consonant and it is the only other letter in the word, it makes a short A sound. Same with our letter I. If it is the only vowel in the word and it's followed by a consonant, it makes the short I sound. All right, now let's go ahead and practice blending some words. All right, so we have the letter B that makes the B sound. We have the letter A, and it's the only vowel, and it's followed by another consonant, so it makes a short A sound. And then we have the letter G that makes the G sound. So we have B, A, G. Okay, let's blend these two. B, A, bag. All right, let's make it a word. Bag, bag, bag. Good job, guys. All right, let's try a different one. Okay. Ooh, let's take a minute to notice that the first letter of this word is capital. So when we blend this word, let's think about maybe why this letter is capitalized, okay? So our capital K, it still makes the K sound, just like the lowercase. Our I is the only vowel, and it's followed by a consonant, so it's going to make the short I sound. Okay, and our M makes the sound. All right, let's blend. K, I, Okay. K, I, K, All right, last one. K, Kim. Kim. So why do you think the K might be capitalized for the name Kim? Good thinking. Because it's a name, we always capitalize the first letter of a name. Good job, guys.